Remember, remember, the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason, and hooray! And also remember to subscribe. If you're on YouTube, there should be a nickel subscribe button below. So give it a click. Yeah. So it's Bonfire Night again. Now, if you're from the UK, you'll know all about Bonfire Night. But 5% of my viewers are from the USA. So they might not know what Bonfire Night is. And also I've got another few percent from all over the shop. You know, I've got people in Morocco watching me, and Saudi Arabia, and Kenya, places like that, Guatemala. I'm just looking down my stats here. Yeah, anyway, so for those people, what the bloody hell is Bonfire Night all about? In 1605, a group of conspirators plotted to blow up the House of Lords during the state opening of England's Parliament. This group of conspirators were led by Robert Catesby, seen here with some of the other conspirators. Yeah, hold up. They all look the same. Apart from Bates over there on the left. He ain't got hat. But other than that, all the others look exactly bloody same. Not the best bit of artwork, but never mind. Anyway, the authorities uncovered this bloke, Guy Fawkes, who was sort of like the fall guy, no pun intended, who the conspirators had got to sort of look after the gunpowder to blow the House of Lords up. But the authorities, they rounded him and his mates up and they killed them all, basically. Here's a visual representation of them getting undrawn and quartered. There they are, getting dragged around on some sledges. That looks quite good fun, that bit. Oh, not that bit though. There they are, getting disemboweled, look. Disemboweled, he's had his head lopped off. Some blood spurting out there, ooh, yeah. And here's some severed heads on some spikes. They all look pretty similar there, I know, don't they? Maybe they do all look the same. They all look pretty relaxed as well, considering they've just been disemboweled. Now, if you really want to find out more about Robert Catesby and Guy Fawkes and their mates and the Gunpowder Plot, there's been a new BBC TV series. And it stars Kit Harrington of Game of Thrones. And Kit Harrington of Game of Thrones, his middle name is Catesby. And he's also a direct descendant of Robert Catesby. So, no prizes for guessing who he's playing in this.
I am Robert Catesby.
It's Robert Catesby, yeah. And you can see they've used a little bit of artistic license, haven't they, with the casting? Because here's Kit Harrington off Game of Thrones with his conspirator mates. But we know they don't look like that, do they? No, they look like this, yeah. I suppose at the end of the day they need a load of good-looking, chiselled chaps on there to get the viewers in. And a very good programme. It's got some gripping bits in it. But it had some gruesome depictions of them hanging, drawing, quartering people. Absolutely gruesome. Not long after Watershed on BBC, I was having a scone with jam on it, and it put me right off that. And then they got loads of complaints about it. But the producers said that the gruesome deaths were integral to the plot, so that means it's all right. Anyway, every year since the Gunpowder Plot, we've celebrated with Bonfire Night. So we've remembered on the 5th of November to never forget that thing that never happened. Yeah. Now, on Bonfire Night, you often have these big public bonfires and big spectacular firework displays, so over and open to the public so you can go and have a look at them. But for our family, it's always been tradition to have a bonfire and fireworks in the garden. Sometimes the quality of the fireworks that you purchase from the shops, they're really impressive, they're just superb. And it's just great having all the family around, you know, and all the joshing and banter that we have.
That's rubbish.
Try my fucking best, yeah? I don't know why I fucking bother. Next time I even buy the fucking things. Now, I like to challenge my son, you know, and have several fireworks lined up and sort of run the gauntlet of lighting them all one by one. A bit like that brilliant bit in The Dirty Dozen, where Jim Brown has to blow up the chateau with a handful of grenades, and he's got to pop them in each of the air vents one by one, whilst avoiding the German snipers. Oh, it's brilliant, that bit. It's my favourite bit. Every time I think, oh, is he going to make it? Is he going to make it? Even though I know what happens. I'm not going to spoil it for you, though. No. So I try and make the lighting of the fireworks exciting by doing my Jim Brown impression. But then there's always the risk, isn't there, that you've not lit one properly. And then you don't know whether it's lit or not. And then you've got the quandary, because you can never return to a lit firework, can you? Never return to a lit firework. Right. Is it lit? Is it lit? Oh. I'm doing it. I'm lighting it. I'm trying my best. Yes, got it. Is it lit? I can't go back to it if it's lit. Is it lit? It ain't lit. Oh, come on, light you bugger. Come on. Oh. I thought you had it then. Come on, you bleeder. Come on. Oh, fucking hell. Come on. That's it. No. Yes! Got the bugger. Retreat! Retreat! Oh, it's fucking falling over. Bollocks. So make sure you stay safe on Bonfire Night. Always adhere to the safety protocols. Pop the sparklers in a bucket of water and never return to a lit firework. And as long as you do that, you should have a great time. It's great fun. So yeah, enjoy your Bonfire Night. Right, are you filming? I'm going to do my Dirty Dozen bit. Are you filming? Great.
Oh, well done, Dad.
If you enjoyed that, then click on some of these links to other videos and subscribe. You've got to subscribe. Should be an icon down there with my face. So click on my face. Click on my face and subscribe. And okie dokie, ta-ra.